This conference will now be recorded.
Hmm. So guys, as I told, I'm going to show you COPS method now. Okay. So COPS method is one of the commonly used method to set up the Kubernetes. It works for any cloud. Okay. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. And each cloud has separate service also again. In AWS we have EKS. In Azure we have AKS. In Google we have GKS. That is a service name, guys. By using that also in the respected server, you in respected cloud you can set up the cluster. Okay, that is also way. This is also way. Even um, cube ADM method also there. Okay, yeah. So after that I will explain cube ADM method also. You can try with that. I'll give you the notes for that. Okay. So before that, we need few like things. Okay. Can you please open my yesterday's notes also? Copy into notes. Notes ki copy చేసుకోండి. I'll give you latest one. Just a minute. So guys, here in Docker and Kubernetes, you have to work more, guys. There are so many things to learn. Okay, మీ క్లాస్ ఒకటే సరిపోదు. There are so many things. Okay. Uh, just I'm sending one more actually. Use that instead of this. Hmm. Can you please use that? Hmm. Same only, just numbers change. Few additional things I added. First time you may feel little difficult, but do number of times, guys. Nowadays in interviews also they're asking this QBADM and COPS method, guys. In interviews also. So please try to implement number of times. You can watch it. You can see and implement, no problem. But at least by watching, you can implement it. That's the agenda. Okay. Yeah. So before that, in AWS, we have to set up few things. Okay. So you have to set up one thing. Go to AWS account. So as I told, what is Route 53, guys? What is the purpose of Route 53? The purpose is domains. We can create the domain. There are other advantages also, okay, with Route 53. But what is the main advantage of Route 53, guys? I told you already yesterday. Domains similar to GoDaddy. Okay, na same GoDaddy how it works, similar way Route 53 works. Okay, so similar concept. Now I'm going to create one private domain for my cluster so that they can. So as I told, guys, here multiple servers, right? Like master, worker nodes, cops master. Okay, so they will talk to each other internally, not from outside. And మీరు బయట నుంచి ఆ వెబ్ డొమైన్ యాక్సెస్ చేయలేరు, బట్ ఇంటర్నల్లీ దే కెన్ టాక్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ బై యూజింగ్ దట్ డొమైన్. ప్రైవేట్ ఉంటాయి, పబ్లిక్ ఉంటాయి, గైస్. As I told, within the same network, private network, they can talk to each other, right? With private network also. So private domain also same. Within the network, they can call with the names. Here, first, let me create the private domain. So then after, So you can say avinash.com as example. Public means from outside also you can access the domain if any, if you map any IP address with that domain. Okay, but as of now I'm going with private domain. So which region it is? US East 1. Select US East 1. Okay, create hosted zone. Yeah, so I created successfully avinash.com. Okay, now let's move into my domain. Let's follow. So guys, here as I told, AWS I can access two ways. One is from console, one is from application. What is the application name? AWS CLI. So it's already there. Why? Because it is Amazon Linux. Okay, now why? Because my server is Amazon Linux. That's the reason, right? So now let's move on. I verified version. Yes, it is working successfully. Copy Avinash, the second line. So we are downloading the cops, guys. Cops binary. Do one thing from last try to copy instead of from beginning. Uh, Copy this. Hmm. So we are downloading one package, cops binary. Yeah, press enter. Okay, you can see that file now. So maybe this error, even I am not sure. Maybe we have to debrief. But anyway, my package got like a binary I received, so no problem. Yeah. So as it is a command, we have to make a executable permission. Hmm. So generally commands where it should be in bin folder. I'm copying it into bin folder. Then only you can run the commands from anywhere. Otherwise, you have to see now. Wait. See, I'm able to run command. So command is there now because guys, whenever you run any command, there is a setting in system. మన system లో ఒక setting ఉంటది guys. Path అనే setting ఉంటది. We have a setting called path. Okay na. So see, these are the binary folders. Your system will check that command file in this any command, guys. When you run any command like ls, pwd, cd, okay, so any command, what will happen? So your system will check that command in this folders only. Okay na? So your command should be there in this folder, then only your command will work. Otherwise your command. So that's the reason I did that. Next. Here change your name, avinash.com. Say avinash.com. Okay, what is this command, guys? As I told, whatever you can do from console, you can do from command line also. Now for this EC2 instance, what permissions we given yesterday? We given EC2 permission, S3 permission, IAM permission, Route 53 permission. Now this is S3 bucket, guys. Why S3 bucket required means S3 bucket is one of the, like, similar to Google Drive, shared storage from anywhere you can access over the network. Okay, now. So here this, whenever I create a COPS cluster, so I'll get some configuration. So those configurations I don't want to store in this EC2 instance for safer side. Okay, now. So I want to make it as a remote storage. So that if this EC2 something problem also, you can launch one more. There you can set up your S3 bucket, same S3. Okay, that's the reason we are using it. Yeah, next. Here also change the name. First change and then after copy paste. It's avinash.com. Copy this now. So guys, anybody maintaining any Docker, sorry, a Google Drive for my videos? Can you do so? Can someone please do something? General, like, you can upload these videos every day. I'm providing the videos, right? So can someone please upload into your Google? So it will be helpful to you as well as others also, guys. If
I have
anybody,
uploaded, sir.
oh, that's great. Maybe instead of doing like this, upload topic wise. So Nagavos, first class, second class, third class.
Yes,
Again,
yes,
I'm
sir.
day to, but still that is better actually. Instead of doing like this, okay, na? Please make it as a day one. Okay, so you are making, no, actually still, okay, na? To identify easily, better to go with first class, second class, third class, fourth
Yeah.
class, like that. Okay, no? Maybe like this: Nagavos first class, Ansible first class, Kubernetes first class, Kubernetes separate folders. I'm talking about, so that it will be good, right? Directly you can access that. Can you do after the class, Avinash?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's great. Do it topic wise and give me the access, admin access.
Okay, sir.
So if anybody asks also, I can give the same thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Thank you very much, Avinash. Every time you are only taking responsibility. Even now, speaker also good actually. Your speaker, it seems
Yeah,
you
I've
changed.
changed it, sir. Actually, I talked to Adinarina and I changed it in the speaker.
Yeah, yeah, great. Now I can hear you clearly. Thank you very much for your support.
Thank you, sir.
You are only taking everyday responsibility. Okay,
Thank you,
great.
sir.
Yeah.
Mark, is
So
it
guys,
possible?
here, as I told, your cooperation is required, guys. So there are so many things to learn. If you go through my Google Drive, okay na. So there are so many things. ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి మీరు నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన టాపిక్. క్యూబర్నెటీస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్, గైస్. ఓకేనా? మీరు నా గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ ఓపెన్ మై గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్, యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ హ్యూజ్ థింగ్స్, ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్, టాస్క్స్, ఇంకా ఏం నేర్చుకోవాలి మొత్తం ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో. ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ గో, ఇట్స్ అ ఓషన్. మళ్ళీ ఒక 2 నెలలు టాపిక్ చెప్పినా అయిపోదు, అంత పెద్ద టాపిక్ ఇది. ఓకేనా? సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో త్రూ దోస్ థింగ్స్ ఆల్సో.
Amar, can you hear me?
Yes, Kishore, I can.
Amar, if possible, can we get the access for that drive?
Yes, yes, I will ping you. Okay, I'll ping. I'll get it from Avinash and get it for you. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Wait. So, guys, this setting is there, right? You said like ops status should be available in this S3 bucket, right? But this is command line you did. So if at all, if you reboot your server, you will lose that setting. So what I have to do, this setting I have to make permanent. So in this file, go to end of the file, paste that same entry so that it will be permanent. Even if at all that server got rebooted also, you'll get the same path. Don't miss that. That is mandatory. Now copy this also. What happened? Why you opened again?
No, sir.
Close it. No, don't. Wait. Wait. Give me control.
Yeah. I think he did not save it, sir. That's the reason.
I saved it. Go ahead and copy the seventh one. So guys, by running this command again, I'm downloading the. No, you did not copy it properly. kubectl it is. Yeah. First, always try to verify whenever you do something. If possible, okay na possibility unte akkada open, go back. It's copied already. Open your putty session. So first verify it. So what is this command to download? Just check it whether it's downloaded or not. Yeah, go ahead. Wait. Now I told you, right, guys? See, I downloaded which folder it is now? I'm in /4. Is it bin folder? Guys, is it bin folder? Huh? Kaadu kada. See, my command won't work out now. If I say kubectl from anywhere, it's a command not found. Why? Because your command should be there in this folder only, as I told. Guys, ఈ ఫోల్డర్స్ లో ఉంటేనే నీ కమాండ్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది. రిమెంబర్ దిస్. If you get command not found, what does that mean? Two reasons. One reason is you haven't installed. Even after installation, the command not working mean your command file is there, right? The kubectl or whatever the command file, it is not there in this path. That is the meaning. Now I have the kubectl file, but where? In root folder, not in this bin folder. That's the reason my command not working. So let's move into first change the permissions. Go ahead. See, I am moving it into bin folder, as bin folder. In one of the bin folder, the command should be there. The file should be there. So then only your command will work. Enter. Now run the kubectl command just casually. Run it. Just kubectl. ku. Run it, no problem. Command problem options ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి. That's out of matter. At least you will come to know that command is working or not. Enter. See, my command working now. It's expecting some argument actually. We haven't given, that's the reason you got this error. But command is working. Okay, so that's the difference. Yeah, now go back. What is this SSH keygen mean? Actually, we need keys, right, for my Kubernetes master and worker nodes. So as I'm doing from cops, ఇక్కడ జనరేట్ చేస్తున్నా నేను. ఎంటర్. Take all defaults. Enter. Just enter. Now clear the screen. So your cop server will copy the keys into your agent, your master, and yeah, go ahead. Next. Guys, if possible, can we have class on Sunday also? I will confirm. It's not confirm. I'm just thinking about that. Okay.
Yeah, no issue.
I will let you know. It's not confirm yet. Okay. Maybe Saturday night I can confirm. Is that okay? 8 o'clock, not regular time. Okay, na guys, 8 o'clock. Sunday, 8 o'clock. If possible, I will let you know. Saturday night, I will tell you. Maybe right now I can't tell you, but I'm thinking if everything goes well, if time permits for me, okay, na Sunday 8 o'clock. Okay, let's have one class. Okay, so yeah, that's like I want to finish Kubernetes next week. That's the reason. I will just confirm this week or next week. Maybe Saturday night. Please wait for my message in WhatsApp.
Okay,
Wait,
sir.
man, what you did? Wait.
Sorry.
Have you changed the things?
This one I copied.
Man, you should not proceed, man. See, multiple
Change the
things you
name.
have.
Amadar.
Wait,
Sorry.
Avinash, you should be very careful when you run the things.
Yeah.
Blindly should not copy the things. Control C. So documents are always for reference purpose only, guys. You should not blindly follow them. Documents ఎప్పుడైనా సరే రిఫరెన్స్ కోసమే. మనం దాన్ని జస్ట్ గుడ్డిగా ఫాలో అవ్వద్దు ఎప్పుడు కూడా. డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఆ వర్షన్ వేరే ఉంటది, ఆ కమాండ్స్ వేరే, ఆప్షన్స్ వేరే ఉంటాయి. ప్లీజ్ గైస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ట్రైనర్. మీరు నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది అదే ఇక్కడ. గుడ్డిగా వెళ్ళిపోవడం కాదు. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ నువ్వెందుకు ఇన్ని లక్షలు? సో వై దే విల్ పే దిస్ మనీ లాక్స్ టు యూ? We should be very careful while doing something. Here also. ఎక్కడిక్కడ చూస్తే అర్థమైపోతుంది నీకు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏమేమి చేంజ్ చేయాలో. మేక్ ఇట్ avinash.com here also. And here also, wait, this also take what is where is your cop server? Make it in the same region. US is to 1B. Copy properly, man. Copy properly. Is it a full name? No. US is to be. So Avinash, please take care the thing properly. Okay. కొంచెం తొందర ఉండాలి, బట్ అలా అని చెప్పేసి లైక్ మిస్టేక్స్ చేయొద్దు. See again here mistake. Remove it.
Space
Okay.
sir.
No. I think it's everything good. So now we are creating the configuration files, guys. By running this command, we are creating our configurations for master and worker nodes. Copy this now. Okay, so it will generate the enter. Now it will generate the cluster. So copy these suggestions. Later point. So I'll tell you what are these. Copy these suggestions into your notepad. Somewhere bottom line. You can copy here itself at 12th step itself. Enter. కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి కాపీ చేయండి. ట్వెల్త్ కి 30 కూడా కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వు. So guys, as I told, here it's generate the configurations. ఈ కమాండ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే, what this command does, it will generate the configurations మీ క్లస్టర్ కి హౌ మెనీ. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్, నీకు ఇంకా మాస్టర్ అండ్ వర్కర్ నోడ్ అంటే ఫుల్ క్లారిటీ లేదు కదా. సో మీకు లేటర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ తెలుస్తుంది. let's copy this example. Master configuration I want to change. Okay, like maybe which image you want to take, which size you want to take for master. Generally for master we take like T2 minimum, T2 medium. T2 micro won't work out. Copy this and run it in your
చేసాను సార్.
రన్ చేస్తారా? నాకు కనపడట్లేదు.
రన్ చేయలేదు సార్.
రన్ చేయండి. You'll get one VA editor if you open that. See, here you can, let's change practice session only, right? Remove the M3 medium, make it T2 medium. దాన్ని బట్టే కాస్ట్ ఉంటుంది గైస్ మీకు. So guys, generally if you go to any shop also to buy laptop, they will ask you what type of like laptop you need, configuration, how much CPU, how much RAM, how much memory, how much like maybe graphic card, what is the purpose. So based on that only you will take the configuration, right? So here also in AWS they provide lots of types. So T2 medium is the basic one. Okay, you will get 2 GB RAM, 4 GB CPU. Sorry, 2 CPUs, 4 GB RAM. Yeah, now save this. WQ. WQ. In the same way, open worker node configuration. The above one. The above one. Cops edit IG. Any worker nodes kavali? How many worker nodes you need? As I told, master only one. Worker nodes number of. Enter. We lost your screen, Abhinash. Enter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, T2 medium is fine. See how many size you need. What is maximum and minimum? I will tell you. Basically, what auto scaling group does. Sorry, what cops master will do means. Can you please open a paint session? One paint session. I'll tell you something. Yeah. So guys, here what your cops master, as I told, this is cops master, right? Your EC2 instance, cops master, where you configured your cops cluster. So what happened here? It will connect to your AWS account. It will launch one. It will launch one master and 2 worker nodes, right? As per my configuration, one master node, EC2 instances, guys. But assume that later point of time one of the worker node is down because of many issues, guys. Software issue undochu, someone shut down, or else maybe hardware related, any kind of issues may happen, right? Memory issue, CPU. Because of that, maybe this worker node is corrupted. Just assume that maybe someone intentionally shut down your server. What happened then? Your worker, maybe you will get interruption in your services, right? Slow down, application slow అయిపోతుంది. Anyway, you have replica, but guys, in real time we need high availability. That is main and very important. How you will get a high availability? There are multiple ways, guys. Okay, na. So one of the ways, there is a concept called auto scaling group. Auto scaling group ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఆ సర్వీస్ పేరు అది, ఇట్స్ a service name. What that service does, Okay, example for this worker node, if I create a auto scaling group, okay na, both are with same configuration, right? Worker nodes anni same configurations ఉంటాయి దాదాపు. Okay, so both has a single auto scaling group. Now here, what that auto scaling, how like here as per my configuration, how many worker nodes I need? I set up, I said in my configuration file 2, right? So it will make sure that always 2 is running at any point of time. Auto scaling group ఉన్నంత వరకు, until that auto scaling group is available, it will make 2 servers up and running. Even if you shut down one, it will automatically make it one more up. ఎప్పుడు చెక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది ఆటో స్కేలింగ్ గ్రూప్ అనేది. దానికి ఇంకో అడ్వాంటేజ్ వస్తుంది, విల్ మేక్ ఇట్ లేటర్, దాని గురించి మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడదాం. విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ దట్ లేటర్. ఫస్ట్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ how many minimum you need? 2. So always it will maintain 2. Maybe your wish, guys. Here in my configuration I made it as 2. Miku, if you need more like 3, you can make it, see, minimum 3, maximum 3. It's up to you. 5 it will maintain 5. Okay na. So cops is additionally adding auto scaling group also for my master and worker node. Master కూడా ఇంకో auto scaling, because this is different configuration. Master కి వేరే configuration ఉంటుంది, worker nodes వేరే configuration ఉంటుంది. Even including the like inside configuration. Okay na. So master has separate auto scaling group. So here I said minimum 1. So always it will maintain 1. Auto scaling group has 2 advantages. One of the advantage is minimum ఎన్ని కావాలంటే అన్ని. So it will maintain always. Even if you shut down, or maybe by mistakenly this master or worker node shut down, it will start one more time, guys. Okay, that is the advantage of auto scaling group. Cops providing that mechanism also here. అంటే AWS లో ఉంది. ఆ AWS సర్వీస్ ఇది వాడుకుంటుంది. It will use that service and it will make sure that my master and worker nodes are highly available. Okay na? I will show you that. Yeah, now let's move on. Yeah, now let's, if at all if you change anything, like here just I created the configuration, nothing, I haven't done anything. Like cluster configuration, master configuration, worker node configuration I created by running this command. Okay na? Now let's create my cluster. Copy this, change the name. No, here itself you have that command. See, cops update, just instead of update that, just copy this command only, this one, copy this. Copy properly. What about this? So Avinash, be careful, man. Check it, make it right side, make it right side, still it is there. Why, Avinash, you're doing like that? Check properly always before you do anything. Enter. Now I'm creating the clusters. So guys, now my cops master will connect to Kubernetes, sorry, AWS account. It will launch 3 servers now, one master and one 2 worker nodes. It will take some time, guys. 10 minutes it will take. It will set up everything, Kubernetes installation. So copy these instructions also. I'll tell you later why we need this.
Once we install this master and Kubernetes means worker nodes, we can add after later also if you want.
Yes, definitely. Wait. Here, copy after the 13th command, not here. ఏ కమాండ్ రన్ చేసావు ఆ కమాండ్ దగ్గర పేస్ట్ చేయి. I'll tell you that also. Wait.
ఇక్కడే కాపీ చేసేస్తారు ఇది.
13 దగ్గర కాపీ చేయి. సరే ఇది తీసేయి, 13 తీసే, 13th కమాండ్ డిఫరెంట్ కదా. సరే పేస్ట్ చేసే. ఓకే. So later point of example, now I created my Kubernetes cluster. So show me that putty session. Show me the putty session. Yeah, it's done. Now run this command, copy validate cluster. It will take some time, guys. Minimum 10-15 minutes it will take. Enter. Just to validate what is happening. For initially it will show like verification failed and all, because still it's in progress. See, now it created one master and 2 worker nodes. Can you go there? In AWS account, you can see your master and worker nodes now. Go to services, EC2. So later point of time also you can modify them, guys. No problem. Simple. Again, adding, removing is very easy. See, you got one master and 2 worker nodes. Okay, now. So now it's like it will launch the server and it will install the respected services. You no need to do anything. Cops will take care. Okay, now later point of time I want to update something. Maybe I want to add one worker node. Simple. Copy this command. That's the reason these suggestions are required. Okay, నేను తర్వాత వర్కర్ నోట్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. No need to copy. Okay, simple. Copy this command. Don't do that now. Just I'm telling you. Okay, so then run that. Same, you got one VA editor, right? There change the number. Make it 3x3. Minimum maximum. That's it. It will launch one more. If you need one, make it 1 by 1. It will make it 1. It will remove the 1. Okay, and then you want to change the type of instance, you can change it. Very easy, guys. Okay, so these are the commands to change your configuration. Okay, so then after you have to run this command. If at all you update any information in cluster, compulsory you have to run this command. Maybe after the class you can try that. Once you have your master and worker node, just add just copy this command. Okay, so edit minimum maximum, same 3x3, then run this command. You can understand that. Okay, maybe because now it takes more time. It will take minimum 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I will give you like one document. Go to my Google Drive. Can you please open my Google Drive? My Google Drive. So guys, please, everybody make sure that my Google Drive is available with you. Okay, and one more thing, one small request. If at all you need any query about any Google Drive or anything, you have to reach out to me. You should not go to your consultancy. Okay, so you are from different consultancies. Don't go to them. It's something like you will you maybe some uncomfort. Okay, if they come to me, sir, give this, sir, give this. Why like that? You directly ping me. Maybe I may not reply immediately. Just whenever I am free, I will try to make it. If you need any like Google Drive or something, please come to me directly. If you have any query, or you can ask me in class itself. Okay, don't go to your consultancies. That's not a good practice. Go to DevOps class notes. Make sure that everybody have this Google Drive, guys. Huge information available here. చాలా నోట్స్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. లైక్ మీరు ఇదంతా గో త్రూ చేస్తే మనం మాట్లాడుకునే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అవైలబుల్ హియర్. మోర్ దాన్ దట్. ఓకేనా, హ్యూజ్ నోట్స్ అవైలబుల్, హ్యూజ్ డాక్యుమెంట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ, గైస్. ద ఓషన్, డెవాప్స్ అనేది ఓషన్, క్యూబర్నెటిస్ ఓషన్. 2 నెలలు చెప్పినా అయిపోదు టాపిక్. అంత పెద్ద టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి క్యూబర్నెటిస్ లో. Okay, now based on my notes, based on my class, again మీరు improve చేసుకోవాలి దాన్ని. Okay, there are so many things you have to learn. So in this document, can you please open this document, this URL, multi-node with CentOS. Multi-node with CentOS. This, here it is. Open it. This is QVDM method, guys. Okay, now I'll give you like instruction what to do, where, what are the things you need and all. These are the things you are doing manually. Now my COPS master did all these things for you guys. In your master and worker nodes, your COPS master did all this stuff. Okay, now, but what you have to do, you have to install. Take 3 servers, 1 master and 2 worker nodes. You launch it. 1 T2 medium. Okay, now 1 shot. Again 2. So don't launch 3 in 1 shot. My suggestion is, why I will tell you, because security group you need master separate security group, worker nodes 2 or 3, right? Same security group you should have. Okay, now for all worker node you should have the same setting, same security group. So what you have to do here, I need 3 servers. First launch your master with T2 medium, 1 server. Okay, now then launch 2 servers with T2 medium at a time, not separate. How? Can you please go to my can you please open Google sorry, your AWS account once? I think you closed it. Compulsory you have to do it, guys. See here, T2 medium. Next, see, for master only 1 is enough. Go ahead and launch it. But while working on worker nodes, make 2 worker nodes in 1 shot. So you will get the same security group. That is mandatory. Okay, now so 2 or 3, 4, 5, any number for worker nodes. So 1 master node 1 time and multiple worker nodes in 1 time again, so that you will get the same security group. Okay, so now that is one thing, guys. Here in this document you can see one concept called, see, this is basically one command only, guys. You have to copy in 1 shot. See here carefully, cat command, kind of shortcut, guys. This is actually, this is the data for your file. What he is doing means, he is creating the file called daemon.json. Okay, na he under etc under docker folder is creating daemon.json and oka file update chestunnadu, creating. Okay, na so this is shortcut, guys. Generally, how do you, can you please open notepad, a fresh notepad? First copy this.
Amar, quick question, Amar.
Yes, tell me.
So you are previously you have tried to created the cluster by using kubectl. Now you are trying
cops. That is cops method. This is kubectl method.
kubectl method. Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
I am not going to create. You are going to create this one in practice session. I'm giving just instructions
Okay,
for
thank you.
Cubadium. Cubadium, generally we don't use it for, I mean, cloud. Okay. So guys, generally how cat command works, cat greater than the location of the file, full path of the file. Uh, just a minute.
What is daemon?
Service.
Daemon.
Service. Daemon is oh here daemon.json something configuration file related to Docker. Okay.
Normally daemon is service.
Normally daemon means service.
Okay. Thank you.
Generally how cat command works, first we'll give cat greater than file name, then we'll press enter, then after we'll copy the like data, then control D, right? That is the general way, but this is shortcut guys. In one shot you have to copy this. ఈ షార్ట్కట్ ఏంటంటే in one shot you can create the file. You no need to like type this, enter, then copy the like data. This is the data guys. It is data. EVF is not data actually. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to copy in one shot like this and press enter. That's it. Just copy, go to your master and worker nodes and press enter. I'll show you just a minute. No problem. Let me do it in my cops master. Just for your what I can say knowledge, I'm showing this. See, you'll get like this. If you sorry, 2 times I pasted, it seems like this. ఇలా వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు మీరు పేస్ట్ చేస్తే. Now press enter. So the data will be only this part. You don't get this one. Only from here to here. Okay, now this is kind of shortcut guys. Cat command lo shortcut anamata adi. Okay, now please make sure that just for your information. Okay, this is one shot command. Ikkada nundi ikkada varaku. Don't copy one by one. So few students what they do, they will copy this first, then after this first, then after this. Not good practice. This is one shot. Okay, na? And here guys, you will get message something like firewall D not there. If at all it is there, you are disabling it. So don't bother about that. Unte disable చేస్తున్నాం. కొందరికి మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ లైక్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఫైర్ వాల్. వాట్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్, దే ఆర్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ఇట్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ డిజేబులింగ్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ గైస్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, ఉంటే డిజేబుల్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఇఫ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఫైర్ వాల్ డి ఈస్ దేర్, డిజేబుల్ ఇట్. If not there, leave it. No need to do anything. Don't install it. Few guys, they're giving, they're pinging me, sir, I'm getting no firewall. What should I do? ఫస్ట్ చదవండి అక్కడ ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు. వాడు వద్దనే చెప్తున్నాడు, ఉంటే డిసేబుల్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. మళ్ళీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడం ఎందుకు దాని గురించి? ఓకే, ఈవెన్ స్వాప్ ఆల్సో don't disable. Already we are using AWS level firewall, server level firewall not required. That's the meaning. వద్దు అని అంటున్నాడు, లేదు అని మెసేజ్ వస్తే డోంట్ వరీ. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ గైస్. అది చదవండి, అసలు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు వాడు. ప్లీజ్ చదవకుండా, అర్థం చేసుకోకుండా, వితౌట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్, ఓకేనా, బ్లైండ్లీ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఒక కమాండ్ ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని టైప్ చేద్దామని వెళ్ళకండి. డోంట్ డూ దట్. ఓకే, యా. సో దిస్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ కమాండ్, క్యాట్ కమాండ్. వన్ షాట్, వన్ షాట్ లో రన్ చేయాలి ఇది. దిస్ ఆల్సో వన్ షాట్. ఓకే, ఒకటే షాట్ ఇదంతా లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, దెన్ అప్ టు హియర్ ఎవ్రీ నోడ్ గైస్. ఇప్పుడు వన్ మాస్టర్ యూ హ్యావ్ 2 వర్కర్ నోడ్స్ రైట్. ఇక్కడ వరకు మొత్తం అన్నిట్లో మూడిట్లో రన్ చేయాలి. నౌ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ మాస్టర్ నోడ్ దిస్ సెటప్. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ కమాండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఓన్లీ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఈ ఆప్షన్ అవసరం లేదు. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఏపీఐ సర్వర్ అడిషనల్ ఆప్షన్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. only kubedium init and this part, this network. So you are creating the cluster. Okay, now master ki worker node ki connection establish చేస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట మనం. సో what you are doing, you are creating the cluster in master. ఒకటే నోడ్ లో రన్ చేయాలి. మాస్టర్ నోడ్ ఏదైతే అనుకున్నావో అక్కడ ఇది రన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, you can just ignore this option. It is your responsibility, guys. So at the end of the, like when you run this command, ఓకేనా, సో ఆ అవుట్పుట్ లో ఇలాంటి ఒక అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ కాపీ దిస్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, నాట్ దిస్ వన్. యూ విల్ గెట్ వన్ మోర్ ఇన్ దిస్ కమాండ్. ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ అవుట్పుట్ మీకు ఇలాంటి అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ కాపీ దిస్, ఓకేనా, అండ్ గో టు యువర్ వర్కర్ నోడ్. In how many worker nodes you have? 2 or 3 or there you have to run this. But before that, in master you have to open this port. Master node lo gurtu pettukondi, in master node you have to open 6443 port number. Guys, in master node you have to open 6443 port number. Appude worker node lo ee command work avutadi. Don't copy this one. ఇది కాదు, మీ కమాండ్ లో ఇలాంటి అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. ఇన్ దిస్ కమాండ్, వెన్ యూ రన్ దిస్ కమాండ్, you will get one output similar to this. Copy this, okay, in and run it in all your worker nodes. Okay, na. So that is one thing. And guys, while implementing, watch this video without fail. ఇది వాచ్ చేయకుండా చేయకండి, మీకు అర్థం కాదు. అంటే బికాస్ సో మెనీ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, అవన్నీ అవసరం లేదు మనకు. నేను అవసరం ఉన్నాయే చెప్తున్నా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రన్ దిస్ ఇన్ మాస్టర్ and this also in master only. Okay, not in worker node. Okay, so then this command not required. And then this is worker node. Already you did this, not required. Now finally you can run kubectl get nodes command. Guys, in master node you have to run this. ఇలా రావాలి. ఇలా వస్తే మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేసినట్టు. You should get the output similar to like this. In master, if you run this command after everything, మీకు ఇలా వస్తే మీరు కరెక్ట్ చేసినట్టు. త్రీ నోట్స్ రావాలి, 1 మాస్టర్ 2 వర్కర్ నోట్స్. దెన్ యూ డిడ్ కరెక్ట్. అదర్వైజ్ somewhere you mistaken. Please be careful while setting up the kubedium method. Just for your practice you need this. Okay, nice. This is not mandatory. We don't use in real time if you are using cloud. Mostly we use cloud only. Okay, so cloud lo ఇది అవసరం లేదు. kubedium is not required. But your practice purpose you should do this in weekend. Guys, ఒకసారి తప్పిపోతే పర్లేదు, మళ్ళీ సెటప్ చేయండి. Again do it from beginning. Try to implement it. Try to resolve the issues. Don't leave it like that. అట్లా చేస్తే నువ్వు ఏం నేర్చుకోలేవు. ఒకసారి ఇష్యూ వచ్చిందని దాన్ని ఆపేయడం కాదు. ఇష్యూ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది, ఎక్కడైనా మిస్టేక్ చేశానా, ఏదైనా వర్షన్ చేంజ్ అయిందా, ఇస్ దర్ ఎనీ వర్షన్ చేంజ్, డిడ్ ఐ డన్ ఎనీ మిస్టేక్? ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు రీకాల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. డోంట్ డూ బ్లైండ్లీ. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే బ్లైండ్గా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు, అసలు ఆ కమాండ్ ఏంటో తెలియదు. ఏంటో అన్ని కమాండ్స్ నాకు అర్థం కావు. ఈవెన్ ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎవ్రీ కమాండ్, బట్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ యూనిక్, what something at least basic command like this. If something sare nenu cheppaledu, if at all just I don't explain, try to understand what is this syntax, enti asalu enduku vachindi ilaga. Nee clear ga ardhamaipotundi idi command kaadani. This is not command, something not similar, maybe somewhere I never seen this message. So please go to Google, enti asalu what kind of syntax it is, try to understand. Go to Google, try to do R&D, you will get the answer. అంతే తప్ప అర్థం కాలేదు కదా అని చెప్పేసి అంటే అన్ని కమాండ్స్ అవసరం లేదు. అట్లీస్ట్ ఇట్లా బేసిక్ కమాండ్, ఇది క్యాట్ కమాండ్ బేసిక్ కమాండే కదా, యూ షుడ్ నో దట్. ఓకే, సో ట్రై టు ఫినిష్ దిస్ వితౌట్ ఫెయిల్. ఎట్ ఎనీ కాస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ ఫిక్స్ దిస్. యూ షుడ్ like install kubedium also in Monday class, by the Monday class. I can't show in class again, but you have to do this. Okay, so in my cops master, if everything, just a minute, if everything ready, Yeah, if I run this validate cluster, it should show like this. Yeah, my cops cluster is ready. See, your cluster is so your cops created one master and one worker node, two worker nodes. Guys, now the thing is, as I told, you got auto scaling group for your servers. You can't directly delete them. Even if you delete them, remember this, guys. I don't know what's happening. Many times, every batch, I'm giving this instruction in the class. Clear గా చెప్తున్నా నేను, you cannot shut down అని. But still after the class, they are coming to me. Sir, I created this Kubernetes cluster with cops. I'm not able to shut down. What you are listening in the class then? నేను క్లియర్ గా చెప్తున్నా క్లాస్ లో, ఇది నువ్వు డైరెక్ట్ షట్ డౌన్ చేయలేవు. If you shut down this, again it will come. Why? Because you have auto scaling group for this. Remember this word. Listen class carefully. I don't know what you are doing in the class. Many times, every batch they are doing like this. They are pinging me privately. I can't reply you each and everybody, guys. Please remember. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి నేను రిప్లై ఇవ్వలేను అలాగా. This is auto scaling group under. So where I can check, go here, auto scaling group. If at all you want to delete your cluster, okay, na, come here, go to auto scaling group. See, for master and worker node, you have the auto scaling group here. For master one auto scaling group, see, this is master node. Here you have to delete it. Then only that EC2 instance you can delete. Master related EC2 you can delete. And for worker node also you have one more auto scaling group. See, this one you have to delete. Then only you can delete your EC2 instance, worker nodes. For high availability, guys, auto scaling is for high availability purpose. Remember this, guys. Don't please ping me privately about this question again. అర్థం కాకపోతే చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడే చెప్తా. అంతే తప్ప మళ్ళీ నాకు సర్వర్ డిలీట్ అవ్వట్లేదు అని ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ పింగ్ మీ ప్రైవేట్లీ, బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై. క్లియర్లీ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ, ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ EC2 ఇన్స్టెన్స్ యూ కెన్ నాట్ డిలీట్. వై? బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఆటో స్కేలింగ్ గ్రూప్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిలీట్ దిస్. మీరు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. గో టు EC2 డాష్బోర్డ్. Now,
one
if
quick.
you delete this, it will come up again. మీరు డిలీట్ చేస్తారు అనుకోండి.
Amar,
Yes.
actually, why we need to delete anyway? It's for auto scaling, right? Definitely we need that. So why we are deleting?
No, here it's building, right? You're practicing now, not in real time. I'm
Okay,
talking here. మన ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసమే కదా చేసేది ఇప్పుడు.
correct.
After practice, you will delete it, right?
Yeah. Okay, fine.
So because it's a billing part, it's T2 medium beans, not free of cost. మీకు బిల్లింగ్ పెరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. So to avoid that, I'm deleting, but it will launch one more server automatically because you have auto scaling group. First auto scaling group you have to delete. Just I'm telling you, don't delete it, and make sure that someone should have this setup before the class. Okay na, every day, guys, we can't make it, we can't wait in the class. Chala like what I can say, నాకు టైం లేదు. We have to make it before the, so Monday class who will set up this? If at all Avinash not available, or maybe if at all Avinash did not do that, who will do that? I need one volunteer. Anybody, please? Anybody, you want to take care? Quickly, can you please confirm? Because we can't wait in the class. We can't do every day in
ఇవాళ
class.
ఏం చెప్పారు అదే సార్?
Yes, the setup today we did, right? The same part. So it will, in some time it will launch one more worker node automatically because auto scaling group is there. Now see, it's initialized. One more worker node came in. You cannot shut down, guys, directly. Okay, so please make sure that someone has the setup. Okay, yeah, okay then, guys, we'll meet in Monday
సండే
class.
గురించి కూడా చెప్తున్నారు సాటర్డే.
Sorry, yeah, I will confirm by Saturday, guys. We have Sunday class or not, I will confirm by Saturday evening, Saturday night. Okay na? please just try to come cooperate with me. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.